What's up, guys? It's looking like a beautiful day in St. Augustine. I think it's a great day to take the paddleboard out, hopefully see some dolphins, and check out downtown St. Augustine. I'll see you in a bit. Some of the biggest things tying people down are going to be rent, food, transportation, and bills. Those values are all reflective off of the environment that you live in. In Florida here, it's pretty expensive to live. My rent's gonna be about $700-800 after utilities. Transportation's running me about $200 or $300. Food's gonna be another $300. But those are all reflective of this environment. You just need to think about your concept of money a little bit differently. It's actually a lot cheaper to stay somewhere abroad for a longer period of time than your typical vacation. If you're staying somewhere long-term, you're able to get a job somewhere. Transportation is way cheaper while traveling abroad. There's just so many things that you're able to cut costs on. One especially is this program called Workaway. You put in 25 to 30 hours of your time somewhere volunteering, and in exchange, you get a free bed to stay in, and sometimes even breakfast. This is available all over the world. It's kind of like a Craigslist for job work, and I've done it 6 times. I highly recommend it. It's really a life-changing website. I'm not even exaggerating on that. So we're gonna pull a few more avocados and we're gonna find people's dream job and their dream destination. This is the Workaway main page. If you scroll down, they have some categories here if you're looking to get a specific type of experience with your volunteer work. But specifically for Japan, we're gonna go up here to this host list, and in the where category, Asia, Japan, and there is 195 jobs available. So let's take a look, scrolling down. Very first one, experience Japanese culture in countryside Okayama. I hope I said that right. Here we have the host main page. So they've had 149 people volunteer with them and have left a review. This means that they're looking for someone within the next 2 weeks to come help them immediately. If you ever feel like giving it all up on the spot, sorry, you can go and work for them right now. Availability of future dates. And in the description category, you get to learn a little bit about the host, what they're expecting from somebody, and what you can expect from them. For this host in particular, it's going to be 3 hours of your day for 5 days a week in order to have a free place to stay in Japan. Understandably, most people are going to have a bit of apprehension for working for someone that they've never met before in a completely different country. That's why I really, really love the review system that Workaway has. Volunteers who have worked for this host are able to write about their experience publicly, and the host can vice versa write their experience for the volunteer. It's really easy to find jobs on Workaway. Even if you don't feel like you have any specific skills, you can work in a hostel, checking people in at a reception desk, or even help pouring drinks at the bar. And as an introverted person myself, I found it really easy to meet people through volunteering, and there was always someone to go on an adventure with, even if I was traveling by myself.